Chief Minister Khemchand today attended the live streaming of the 9th editions of Pariksha Pe Charcha 2026 at Wangkhei High School in Wangkhei, Sangbi, Imphal. The annual programs initiated in 2018 featured Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacting with students, teachers and parents across the country to address exam-related stress and encourage a positive approach to learning. During the session, Prime Minister Narendra Modi advised students that effective time management is the key to reduce pressure and improving performance in board and competitive examination. Speaker Thokchom Satyabarta, Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikho, Cabinet Minister Konthaujamd Govindas and Khuraijamd Lokend, Thanga MLA Tongbram Robindro, Chief Secretary Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal, senior administrative officials, representatives from the Department of Education, School and Samagra Shiksha attended the event along with teachers and students. Upon arrival, the Chief Ministers and other dignitaries were warmly welcomed by the school staff and students. The Chief Ministers later interacted with the students, encouraging them to remain confident, focused and disciplined in their studies.